McPherson from the agency, and welcome to Forrester Way in Yeppoon. Situated at the end of a cul-de-sac with limited neighbours and side access to the 6x9 metre shed, you're going to love this one. Let's have a look. Double side access through to the shed. Now this one measures 6x9 metres and also has power, plus an additional 4x6 metre awning. Absolutely love the functional floor plan and how the kitchen dining connects to the private outdoor patio. This one overlooks the manicured gardens and ample fruit trees on offer. If you'd like to know more about Forrester Way and what it has to offer, please do not hesitate to contact me. I'd love to talk to you.